Now, for those of you that have been paying attention, and I'm really pleased it is a lot of you, to the Nolathane Academy that we've been doing as a little online course, well, I want to say thank you, because if you're wondering how it's going, well, good on yous. 2,000 people are now participating in this nice little knowledge-gaining online program we've got. Now, not only that, if you do 5 of these cool little modules that will up your knowledge around suspension, bushings and associated components, you'll see in the mail either a nice little 3D embroidered Nolathane cap, or, I love these, some of these I call them gorilla gloves, because they've got these rubbery sort of surface on them, gives you a grip like a gorilla. So look out, there's in a lot of the product now, there's a little card in there that'll give you the details for the Nolathane Academy. So don't be the one left out in the dark, a little short on knowledge, and it doesn't matter where you fit in the automotive supply chain. We have people back of store, warehouse, front desk, retail, wholesale, and the mechanics at the bench, the workbench and on the hoist, all participating in the Academy. 2,000 of them. Don't you be the one left in the dark.